Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to integrate Square with WordPress. Whether you're launching a full-scale online store or you simply want to accept fast, secure payments on your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to connect your website to the Square payment gateway, so every sale flows smoothly, inventory stays up to date, and your customers enjoy a seamless checkout experience both online and in person. Let's dive right in. In 2026, the simplest and most reliable way to connect Square to WordPress is through specialized plugins. Think of these as bridges between your site and Square. They handle all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, so you don't have to worry about complex code or manual integrations. The plugin you choose depends on what you want to achieve. If you're running a full e-commerce store, the process is a bit different than if you're just collecting payments through simple forms. If your goal is a full-featured online store, where you want your sales, inventory, and even your in-person transactions syncing perfectly, you'll want to use WooCommerce alongside the official Square extension. This is hands down the most robust solution in 2026, and it ensures everything stays coordinated, whether a customer buys online or walks into your physical store. Here, how you set it up. First, head into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and choose Add New. In the search bar, type in Square for WooCommerce. When you spot the official extension, click Install Now and then Activate. This is where the magic starts. This plugin will act as the communicator between your website and your Square account. Next, you need to connect your Square account so payments flow directly to your business. Go into WooCommerce settings, look for Payments, and you'll see Square as one of the available gateways. Click Connect with Square. A pop-up will prompt you to log into your Square account. This might take a moment as it verifies your credentials, so don't worry if the screen spins for a bit. Once you're logged in, look for the option to Allow or Authorize. This is giving WordPress permission to access your Square account for transactions and product syncing. Go ahead and click Allow. With the accounts officially linked, you now want to set up product syncing. This step is really important. It keeps your inventory consistent whether stock changes due to online orders or someone buys directly at your point-of-sale terminal. In your WooCommerce settings, select your business location and switch on the Product Sync option. This tells the plugin to keep your products, prices, and inventory updated from both directions. Imagine it as a two-way street. If you sell a t-shirt from your store, the website instantly knows it's one less in stock, and vice versa. Don't rush this part. Take a little time to make sure your business location is set correctly and all your products are syncing as you expect. If you run into any items that don't match, WooCommerce usually gives you clear warnings so you can fix any issues before customers notice. And that's it. You've now integrated Square with WordPress through WooCommerce, and your site is ready to accept safe, speedy payments. Plus, your inventory stays accurate no matter where you make a sale. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or run into a tricky part, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.